थोड़ा सेंटर लो।
Okay, ma'am. How are you? Madam. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. Wait. Ma'am, एक मिनट. थांबा. लाईट ऑन असतो. हे बघा. Thank you, madam. Hi. Bye. बाजू. गीतिका जी हटिए सामने से. अरे आंटी बड़ा
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So IMC यहाँ पर इनॉग्रेशन होने वाला है, आपके हाथों से तो बताइए कि कैसा आने वाला एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ में, क्या कुछ कहने वाले IMC के साथ में एसोसिएट हुई हैं?
मुझे खुशी है कि आज मैं शामिल हो पाई हूँ सेलिब्रेशन में, क्योंकि बचपन से ही मैं आई लुक्ड अप टू सो मेनी वुमेन जिन्होंने जिनको कोई आइडिया आया और उन्होंने उस आइडिया को एक पॉसिबिलिटी में बदला है. एंड कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी यही कोशिश रही है. तो मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ अंदर देखने के लिए कि अलग जो हमारी वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं उन्होंने क्या क्या डिस्प्ले किया है और उनके क्या क्या आइडियाज़ हैं. एंड आई थिंक इट्स लवली जो IMC का जो लेडीज़ विंग है वो ऐसे एक इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट कर रहा है और इन वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है.
मैडम आपसे भी है, थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाइए. IMC लेडीज़ विंग में विश्व की सबसे बड़ी सुंदरी यहाँ पर आई हुई है. So would you like to say something or add something?
We are in awe. She's so pretty but so humble and so sweet. She is really a persona of dignity and grace.
Can you tell us a little about what we can expect in this exhibition today?
This is our 38th year of exhibition, and we are expecting all the people to come and sell their products from across 31 cities and internationally also. And we are glad that Manushi has come to inaugurate it. Miss World, the beauty and brains have come to inaugurate and help everybody else to really scale their thoughts, evolve and excel. That is our theme.
मानुषी, अगर आपको कोई स्टार्टअप करना हो, द्वीप तो हम जानते ही हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा कोई स्टार्टअप करना हो तो आप क्या करेंगे?
मैं वेलनेस को लेके बहुत पैशनेट हूँ. हमेशा से हेल्थ केयर में इंटरेस्ट रहा है. तभी मैं डॉक्टर बनने की भी तैयारी कर रही थी, पढ़ाई कर रही थी. एंड मेरे पेरेंट्स भी डॉक्टर्स हैं, तो आई थिंक वो फील्ड मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा समझ आती है. सो डेफिनेटली वेलनेस में मैं कुछ करना चाहूँगी. ऑलरेडी वेलनेस में मेरा एक वेलनेस सेंटर है सोमा करके मुंबई में. बट मैं डेफिनेटली चाहूँगी कि हर एक एस्पेक्ट से मैं अगर कुछ भी कभी कोई स्टार्टअप खोल और करूँ तो डेफिनेटली वेलनेस के स्पेस में हो.
आपको क्या लगता है कि आज बॉलीवुड में हर कोई ही बिजनेस वुमन है, तो आपको क्या लगता है सबसे सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमन कौन है आज इंडस्ट्री में?
आई डोंट थिंक मैं एक पर्टिकुलर नाम ले पाऊँगी, लेकिन अच्छा लगता है जब जैसे मैंने कहा, जब लोगों के पास आइडियाज़ होते हैं और वो किस तरह से उन आइडियाज़ को पॉसिबिलिटी में बदलते हैं. वो जर्नी देखने में काफ़ी आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है और एक तरह से एक एग्जाम्पल सेट होता है. और मैं तो कहूँगी एक्टर होना ही एक बिज़नेस की तरह ही है. आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर ही हैं, जो आप एक चाहे आप अपना एक योर सेलिंग अ परसेप्शन ऑफ योर सेल्फ. तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप तो हम सब में है कहीं ना कहीं. मीडिया में भी देयर इज़ सो मच ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, जो यू हैव टू कम अप विद न्यू आइडियाज़, यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव. सो दैट्स एक स्पिरिट है जो आई थिंक सभी में है. तो मैं सिर्फ ये नहीं कहूँगी कि आजकल ही एक्टर्स कर रहे हैं. वो आई थिंक एक्टिंग एज अ प्रोफेशन इन्वॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ business acumen.
Yuvika, can you tell us what we can expect in this exhibition that's new this year?
So,
38 years.
yes, for our 38th year, we've planned a lot of special things. So, one of the things we're all very passionate about, this year we've taken sustainability very seriously. So, everything that you'll see in terms of the decor, we've used sustainable alternatives which are plastic free. We're powering the whole event with green energy. We're also composting all the wet waste from the event, so less of that ends up in the landfill. And all the plastic bottles that are used and disposed here will also be recycled. So we're trying to be as green as possible and reduce our carbon footprint this year. So we want everyone to shop, but also be conscious at the same time about the planet.
And Raja ma'am, anything else, any message for the entrepreneurs this year?
They should not fear doing any business, whether it's social work or business. Scale it, evolve, and excel.
Manuji, last one for the message. There are 231 women here. What will you say to them as a message of inspiration for all the women and the IMC that has put this together?
Well, I'd say that firstly, congratulations everyone on such a wonderful display of your ideas. And I'd only say that be fearless, support each other, and always keep setting examples such as this.
Manushi, one last thing. What made you say yes to IMC this year?
What would I say?
What made you say yes to this?
The whole idea behind an event like this, I believe that women have ambition, women have talent, and they also want to do things in life. But what's great is to see platforms that allow women to, be able to chase that ambition. And this is such a platform. And I'd say that today, if there's anything that I could do in my life, it's because I got the right platforms at the right time. So I always want to be a part of events or initiatives where these platforms are given to more women.
Super. Lovely. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to welcome a woman who redefined grace, intelligence, and global charm. A medical student turned Miss World 2017. From the operating room to the global stage, from winning hearts to breaking stereotypes. She's elegance, excellence, and empowerment personified. Please put your hands together for the stunning, the sensational, the unstoppable, Miss Manushi Chiller. Exhibition. This isn't just an exhibition, it's a celebration of imagination, innovation, and the indomitable spirit of women entrepreneurs from across the country. Let's begin this fabulous morning by inviting to the stage the dynamic and visionary president of the IMC Ladies Wing, Ms. Rajya Lakshmi Rao, along with our esteemed chief guest, the exceptionally talented and inspiring Ms. Manushi Chiller. We're truly honored to have you with us today. Please give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Joining them on stage is our dedicated Vice President, Ms. Anita Chauhan. Please welcome. May I now call upon the driving force behind this spectacular showcase, our exhibition committee chairperson, Ms. Kalpana Shah, and the ever-energetic co-chairperson, Ms. Yuvika Panda Chheda. Please join us on stage. We're also privileged to have with us today the President of IMC, the accomplished and respected Ms. Sunita Ramnath. May I now invite our distinguished guests, Ms. Zareen Khan and Ms. Madhu Shah on stage. आपका स्वागत है. the lovely Zareen Khan, ladies and gentlemen, and our very own Roja girl, Miss Madhusha. And now let's welcome the pillars of wisdom and experience, our esteemed past presidents, who are also part of this year's exhibition committee. Miss Kalpana Singhania, Miss Radhika Nath, and Miss Nayanthara Jain. Thank you so much for your continued support and guidance. Let's now invite on stage our fantastic exhibition committee members, Miss Radhika Kaji, Rekha Junjunwala, Nisha Mehta, Sheetal Bajaj, Ayushi Gupta Mehra, Hiya Somaya, Nidhi Negandhi, and Vasudha Jatia Mehra. Please give them a huge round of applause for their creativity, commitment, and countless hours of hard work in making this event a huge success. Positive energy around you. Don't miss the breathtaking decor, especially the magnificent tree of life, a symbolic tribute to the strength. Request everyone to please rise.
सब लोग थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए।
Entrepreneurship and excellence.
And spotlighted thousands of women across India, encouraging them to dream big, build boldly, and lead with purpose. My presidential theme this year is to all the women, evolve to excel. Beautifully captures this spirit. It's not only a celebration of growth, but a call 286 talented participants from across 31 cities will showcase not just products, but their stories, their perseverance, and their aspirations. For many, this exhibition marks a transformative moment, the beginning of an exciting journey into the.
This year, we were inspired by the legendary artist Raja Ravi Verma, a name that reimagined the portrayal of Indian womanhood in art. Ravi Verma was a place of centrality in the cultural narrative.
Give it up for our chief guest, Ms. Manushi Chiller. Over to you, Manushi. We'd love to hear your thoughts. I should take the liberty to do the same. I wrote one this morning. Firstly, good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is such a joy to be here today, surrounded by so much energy, talent, and ambition. Firstly, thank you to the IMC Ladies Wing for inviting me. This is not just an exhibition, it's a celebration of women who dare to dream and then work relentlessly towards making that dream come true. I've learned something in my own journey, from being a student in medicine to Miss World to an actor and to every single dream that I wish to fulfill in life. The path is never straight, and that's something I believe all of us will relate to. There are twists, turns, and moments when you have to create your own path. And that's what makes this journey beautiful. And that's exactly what entrepreneurs do every day. And that's what inspires me to do this work. What I love most about women entrepreneurs is that they build with more than just numbers in mind. They build with empathy, with purpose, with heart, and most importantly, set an example for young girls such as me to dream big and believe in the possibility of those dreams coming true. Every stall here has a story, a story of someone who believed in herself, who said, I can do this, and then did it. So I guess here's my message to you all. Value your uniqueness, support each other fearlessly, and never underestimate the power of small ideas. Because small ideas create Today we're not just showcasing your products, we're showcasing possibility. Congratulations to each and every one of you. And thank you to the IMC Ladies Wing for having me here and making me part of the celebration. Thank you so much, Manoj, for your inspiring and heartfelt words. The journey is a beacon of passion, perseverance, and purpose. It truly resonates with the spirit of this exhibition. Now I'd like to invite our co-chairperson, Ms. Yuvika Pandacharya, to share her thoughts on a subject close to her heart, sustainability, and to read out a special message from Srimati Kokila Ambani, though she couldn't be with us today as she's currently in London. She continues to be a constant guiding light for our exhibition. Over to you, Yuvika.
Good morning, everyone. This year, our aim was to create an exhibition that's not just inspiring, but also responsible. With a strong focus on sustainability, we're proud to share that this year, the entire event is powered by green energy, and all wet waste will be composted to reduce our environment. In partnership with our sustainability sponsor, Ireland, we're also recycling all plastic water bottles used and disposed of at the event. And when it comes to decor, we've consciously chosen eco-friendly alternatives that are reusable, low waste, and made with sustainable materials whenever possible. Every Smart is very much present, celebrating this wonderful occasion with you all. Good morning to all the wonderful women, stylish, dynamic, smart, inspiring, and graceful women gathered here today. It gives me immense hope of the IMC Ladies Wing. This annual celebration reflects our shared vision to empower, inspire, and create opportunities through innovation, creativity, and collaboration. Each exhibit here tells a story of passion, purpose, and potential. It highlights the incredible work of women entrepreneurs, artists, and change makers who continue to redefine excellence in their fields. I would like to thank all the participants, our dedicated committee members, and everyone who has contributed to making this exhibition a grand success. Your presence means a lot, and your support helps IMC continue to grow as a platform for progress. Let us take this opportunity not only to admire the achievements around us, but to encourage each other to keep passing boundaries. Wishing the IMC Ladies Wing continued success, growth, and many more such milestones. My best wishes to all the participants and the committee for a fantastic exhibition. May Srinathji bless you all. Kokila Bain, Dhirubhai Ambani.
Thank you for sharing that empowering and thoughtful message. I would like to request Ms. Rajalakshmi Rao to felicitate Ms. Madhu in many classics. Give it up for Ms. Madhu Shah. On on behalf of the IMC Ladies Wing, we extend our deepest gratitude to each one of you for being here with us, for your ongoing encouragement and support as well. I now request the exhibition committee to kindly set the stage.
Ma'am, 1 second, 1 photo. Matu ma'am. Okay, ready? Please look here. Yeah. Excuse me. Thank you.
Thank you to the exhibition committee. We are now invite the executive committee to please come forward for a group photograph with our chief guest. The executive committee, please.
Radhika ma'am.
The executive committee members kindly come on the stage. Executive committee members and the past presidents of the IMC exhibition committee, please come forward. All the past presidents, kindly come on the stage for a group photograph.
Ready. Excuse me, look here, please. Okay, ready? Please look here.
Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Ashed Mind Not Mind, Cloth Horse, Milo Jewels, Soka Tableware, AM by Anuta Mittal, Kolkata, Amisha Kothari at Oud Couture, Ringu Mirchi, Arna,
Close here. Just picture ready. Manushi, look here. All of you look here. Smile. Manushi. Come here. Center.
Yeah, okay. Can the photographers please move fast?
Please move fast. थोड़ा पार्टी में किधर है दादा? थोड़ा पार्टी में गैप थोड़ा दादा आप गैप थोड़ा कुर्सी है पीछे चला संकट रहा हो चला पार्टी में क्या चेयर बघा ओके प्लीज चलो आगे से लेफ्ट हट जाओ रास्ते से पूरा दिस साइड प्लीज मेरे कैमरा पीछे लेफ्ट आगे अरे शायद तो तेज करो ना यार आगे जगह नहीं चलो वाइट में ना वाइट में ना अभी कोई नहीं जाता नहीं वाइट पूछा ना वाइट में दिल्ली वाइट में अरे भाई वाइट में
Starting from this, like complimentary representation, like all the
ना वाइट में ये भाई वाइट में आगे की ये वाइट में ये आगे जो वाइट चाहिए
Hi, how are you? This is a group of women entrepreneurship, and the aim is that we do gainful employment. Because only skill development is not longevity. It's when they're employed and they make money out of trying is when they will actually benefit. And we address the issue of textile wastage. And our asking the cause. Even I'm saying in a photo.
अरे बाजू में मैं अकेला दिख रहा हूँ क्या तेरे को यार बात कर रहा है
अनिकेत लेफ्ट पकड़ो तू
लुके पीछे पीछे मोबाइल कोई ना वही वाले रास्ते पे थोड़ा पीछे देखो आदमी लोग क्राउड है पीछे पीछे क्राउड है जरा पीछे देखो दादा साइड हो जाओ मैम पीछे क्राउड है जरा क्राउड देखो थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ जरा थोड़ा पाठी मागी बघा थोड़ा पाठी मागी चला चला लोग फास्ट फास्ट गया पाठी मागी पब्लिक आहे लेडीज पाठी मागी बघा पाठी मागी क्राउड आहे पाठी मागी क्राउड चला साईडला थांबा साईड लास्ट चलो 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 काय काढता येणार नाही तुम्हाला चलतीवर काय निघणार आहे चलो साईड मला तुम्हाला सांभाळायचे आता पडलं तर बहुत हिल रहा है हाँ आपको ही संभालने का मेरे को कुछ गिर गए इसलिए तो पीछे साइड में चल रहा हूँ जब तक शेर है पीछे थोड़ा साइड मैडम थोड़ा साइड तो ज़्यादा पीछे चलो तो अभी जगह खाली है चला चला दादा या तुम्ही मध्ये या सेंटरला आहे चलो थोडं तेज चलो मला ना काढत नाही का जरा पीछे 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 साइड साइड मैडम साइड चल पीछे देखो कि नहीं देखो या पे सीधा चलते साइड चला 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 दादा तेरे लिए खाली कर रहा हूँ देख पीछे तेरे लिए बॉडीगार्ड लगाया है बोलना मैडम पार्टी मांगी बघा दादा आप ही जा Excuse me, look here, please. Please look here. Ma'am, please look here. Ma'am, on your left. Please look here. Ma'am, look here. Oh, yeah.
And then we made these cute bags and stuff. Yeah, because it's easier for people when they shop. Yeah.
Aniket, turn. Yeah, look. Yeah, please look here. Look here. Ma'am, look here. Thank you.
She's completing 25 years.
से बाहर आ रहे हैं किधर हो
अब हटो रे पीछे से दादा क्या रोकने का काम नहीं इधर प्लीज चलते रहो थोड़ा साइड ला दादा चला चला दादा दादा चला चला प्लीज प्लीज थोड़ा साइड लो प्लीज बैक